It is nice finding a place you can always go and relax, and the Legon Botanical Garden is that one place for me. So subscribe to this channel because you'll be seeing more and detailed video about the Legon Botanical Garden. I remain your girl, China Befe. It seems my head is a bit clear right now, and I feel this is the best environment for me right now. Hello guys, welcome to BEFE'S page. If this is your first time of coming here, you're highly welcome. Guys, today I wouldn't say this is a rant video, but this is me coming out to ask what is happening. Is it that Accra is not meant for everybody? Is it that Accra is not a place where people can come and start up life? Because what I have seen the past few weeks looking for accommodation in Accra is so if you know you are thinking of relocating to Accra, and you know accommodation is very important whenever you're moving somewhere, so you better sit down and let's discuss. For some weeks now, have been looking for accommodation, and it has been a hustle. I wanted to rent around Kaswa, but I just realized that Kaswa will not really favor my business because I already have customers around Accra. So that's the heart of Accra. So if I should go as far as Kaswa to look for an accommodation, it's going to disturb my customers, paying for logistics and delivery and all of that. And I was like, okay, let me come towards the town. I know Kaswa has a lot of nice houses, beautiful houses, newly built houses, and they are more affordable. That's the most important thing. They are very, very affordable. In fact, that was the reason why I wanted to go to Kaswa. It's not like I like Kaswa or I've stayed in Kaswa before. I just wanted to go to Kaswa because I felt Kaswa is much more affordable. But me deciding to stay within Accra has just given me a whole lot of stress. Is it the agents, like what's going on? What is it with agents moving fee? What do they call it? Moving fee. I mean viewing fee. What is it about that? And you see, that viewing fee is not part of logistics. So after paying the moving fee of 100 Ghana cedis, you still have to pay their logistics, and some of them will even have the mind to say you people will use a taxi. And I'm like, where we are going to? Is it not where you expect me to rent? Will I be using taxi to that place every day? Won't I be using, you see I'm not mobile, so won't I be using public transport? So let me know how I can get to that place using public transport. Why are we insisting on taxi? That's aside the 100 Ghana cedis. I've never felt this stressed about looking for a house in Ghana before. I did feel stressed when I was looking for a house in Lagos. So when I'm talking about the stress of looking for a house, it's not just about Accra or Ghana. I have also felt same way in Lagos. So I wasn't a YouTuber when I was looking for a house in Lagos. So that's the reason why I'm not going to talk about that. But let me talk about the present situation right now. Guys, I've been looking for a single room self-contained, and the prices I am seeing, the prices I am seeing, what I am hearing with my ears, my mouth cannot say. For a single room self-contained, you'll be hearing prices like 500 Ghana cedis for a month, 600, 700. What's going on? How much are they paying an average Ghanaian? That to make that person remove 500 Ghana cedis, that's half 1,000 Ghana cedis, half 1,000 Ghana cedis on a monthly basis to pay rent. My budget is around 400 Ghana cedis, and guys, I can tell you for a fact that it is extremely difficult for me to see a good clean house for 400 Ghana cedis a month. Aside the axis of Kaswa, Pokwasi, Amasaman, and Valley View area and all that, those outskirts. But when we are talking about the heart of Accra, it is so difficult. Like the houses are unkept. See, landlords, I'm coming. Respectfully, I am coming. The houses are so unkept, and then the agents will take you there. Already, I will tell them my specification. Oga, it's not about this 100 Ghana cedis I want to come and give to you. Please, I want the house to have a spacious kitchen, at least. Not, see, some kitchen. I don't want to put people's houses on this channel. Like I would have showed you some of the houses that I've gone through, and you will see how ridiculous it is. It's like the kitchen is a passage, a straight road that you cannot even move your body. You just have to move in there. I'm like, where are you going to put your gas burner? Where are you going to put your, even if it's a tabletop burner, where are you going to put it? Where are you going to put your kitchen utensils? Okay, I've already told the agents, Mepa Chow, I'm into food business, and so kitchen is very important for me. At least, I'm not saying I want a big kitchen, but a spacious kitchen, normal spacious kitchen for a single room, self-contained, somewhere I can move around, not choked and tight that I cannot even breathe, no window, nothing. I say, okay, please let water be flowing inside my patch, and let the area not be a flood zone area. They will say, okay, they see there's one agent. That agent say when I told the agent everything, the agent was like, don't worry, I have a single room self-contained, brand new, newly built, just as fine as you are. Brethren, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, do you know that this man did not take me to any new building? In fact, see, I don't want to start pouring out how I feel about this house issue. I don't want to just bring it out. I don't want to just bring everything out. Agents, see, if you're an agent and you're watching my video and you're watching this particular video, please do better. Please, I beg you. That 100 Ghana cedis, that viewing fee is nothing compared to your integrity. Just do better. If you know you don't have a particular house that a client is looking for, be straight. I don't have. This is what I have. This house, there is water, there is no water, there is this, there is that. There's a particular agent I'm supposed to work with in Kaswa. Like if I wanted to get a place in Kaswa, that woman she's too genuine. If you're looking for a house around Kaswa, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to connect you with that lady, and she's going to give you a good house. She goes for clean houses, like good houses. And she's going to tell you, this place there is no water, this place it is borehole, this place there is water, this place it is foul. She's being straight. If you don't want, you go. Now, aside the agents, let us talk about you that will leave a house, and then you leave the house so tattered. You met a house clean, neat, and in order. You stayed in that house for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and when you're leaving that house is like where a dog, a pig went to go and stay. Why? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Like there are some houses you go to and they'll tell you someone just packed out of this house, and you're like, how was someone living in this house? What is wrong with us? I feel you should leave a house better than the way you met it. If you are living in a house and then the kitchen cabinet gets bad, fix it. Stop saying it is not your house so you can leave it. The landlord will take care of it. Imagine if it is your own house and someone is doing that to your house. Would you like it? Would you like it? You break the WC, you break the kitchen sink, you will destroy it in the tap that's supposed to be working will no longer be working, and then you expect the next person to come and suffer for that. Some houses, they're an eyesore. Like it shouldn't be online. So guys, we need to do better. Some of us don't have properties yet. We are praying to God to have our own property, and the way we take care of other people's property is very, very important. Let the place be clean. The least you can do, you don't need to go and touch up or add anything to the house. Just make sure the house is clean, the house is neat before you leave. Just ensure that the way you met that house, you leave it that same way or better. If you know you're going to leave the house worse, Trust me, it doesn't speak good of you. So guys, let's do better. Let's do better. And then my final rant goes to the landlord. Landlords, with all due respect, I know I'm not yet a landlord, but I know I'm a landlord. My land is waiting for me somewhere. Hallelujah. I know I'm going to be a landlord. I know I'm going to own properties and people are going to rent my apartment. But my big question is this: what is it with increasing of house rent when you built that house since 19 Bogudum? Why are you increasing house rent? Why? I want to know also, is there a particular fee that landlords pay? Like, landlords have to pay that fee. Maybe that's the reason why they increase their rents without renovation, without anything. Like, the house is so unkept, messy. That house have been there for like 10, 15 years and no maintenance, but they just feel entitled to increase the house rent. Is there a particular fee that landlords do pay, maybe that makes them increase? Because it doesn't make any sense. That because your house is located in Accra, your house is unkept, you don't have water flowing, your walls are all peeled, your toilets dirty, unkept. Yes, I understand that some tenants can be so unbecoming. Yes, I understand. But as much as possible, as the landlord, it is your house. So you have to take full responsibility. Like, even if the tenants don't want to be responsible, of which I expect them to be, but even if they don't want to be responsible, it is your house. You worked hard and built that house. So ensure that that house is always in a good condition, especially for the next tenant that is coming in. So that even if you want to hike your price, when we see the house, we'll know that, okay, this price makes sense. It makes sense. The house is nice. You know, there are some houses, when you see the house sets, everything on point, and they call price, you say, ah, but the house is fine. The house is fine. But not seeing a 19 Bogodom house that needs like to be brought down and rebuilt. Someone is telling me that 500 Ghana cedis for a month, 600 Ghana cedis for single room self-contained. Some of them is room and porch. One are the fear God. Make on the fear God. And then for the first time, I am experiencing landlords saying they don't want to take a Nigerian. I know this is a long topic. I know this is a long issue. I've never experienced this before. I stayed in Ghana for about over 5 years, over 5 years, and I never experienced that. I don't know. But this time around, I've really experienced that, where landlords say Nigerian, no. Like, even the agents will tell you this landlord doesn't take Nigerian, so don't need to go there. I know a lot of things have caused that. I'm not going to blame the landlords or anything of that sort, but it made me feel so bad. It's made me keep wondering, God, if you really want me to stay in this Ghana, make a way for me. I need accommodation. Just make a way. Because, hey, waiting this my eye don't see. Waiting my ear don't hear. Where my leg don't work for this Accra. Places I never knew existed in Accra. Agents carried me there. I saw all of those places, and I'm still seeing because I'm still searching. So, Mepacho, please, if there is any neat, nice single room self-contained within my budget that I mentioned, 400, let me know. Just alert your girl. Now come and pay for 1 year, because it's like this Accra is not for people that are trying to start life, because everybody, another thing for the landlord, why 2 years, everybody's like 2 years. Someone should pay 500 Ghana cedis for 2 years. Hey, people should consider us. I know you people have spent, so especially the new houses, I know you've spent so much money to build the house and you want to recover your money back, but please also consider those that are starting life. Where are we going to get 500 Ghana cedis for 2 years, 400 Ghana cedis for 2 years? Please, if there's anything that's making you people do that in the patrol, please. It's not funny, oh. Some of the houses I have seen, I don't remember them when I'm eating because I almost threw up. I almost threw up. And they are calling ridiculous prices, probably because they're in some certain areas. I think both agents, tenants, landlords, we can do better to make life easy for us. Life shouldn't be this hard. Come on, life shouldn't be this hard. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please drop in the comment section your experiences with landlords, with tenants, and with agents, because I know one way or the other we've experienced any of these. Whether you're a landlord now, there was once a time you were a tenant. Maybe you never became a tenant in any phase of your life, but you're a landlord. So maybe you had some experiences, good or nasty experiences with your tenants. Let's all know all of that in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And until we meet next time, do not forget to always smile, because you're beautiful when you do. Bye.